Dear brothers, I'm just going to try and show you how you can hide information that you don't want to see on your S-140 schedule. For example, let's say you don't want to see the song titles on your schedules. What you need to do is go to your application data folder. On Windows 10 you can just type app data percent like that, percent app data percent, and hit enter. This brings up this folder here. There we have meeting schedule assistant. Double click. Inside this folder you will see your S-40 template. Now there's two things we need to do. We'll copy the S-140 XSL file, so we'll right click, copy, right click, paste, and we'll change the name. We'll call it something like custom. Okay, then we'll right click it, go to properties, and take off the read only. That's quite important. The next file we need to copy is the CSS file. This is for the styling. So again, we follow a similar exercise. Copy, then right click, paste, and we'll give this a name as well. It's important to keep the first bit the same, workbook S-140, and we'll also call that custom. And then we'll right click it and change the read only attribute. Now what we need to do is two things. Firstly, we need to edit the CSS file, so we'll right click it, edit with Notepad or Notepad++ that I'm using. Now if we look down through, these are all the different classes that are used by the schedule. And one of these classes will be for the song, which is just here. Text song title. And I've put a note in that says uncomment to hide the song title. So to do that we need to delete those two characters and those two characters. So just to indicate that again, we deleted these two and then we deleted these two. That means we now have this command, display none, set. So let's go up here and hit save. And you're free to make any appropriate changes to your CSS file like that. The second thing we need to do is open the associated XSL document in Notepad. And then don't be alarmed by everything that you see in this file, but right at the top here you've got this line. Now all you need to do is change it from what it's saying there to say that. So we're now telling this template that we want to use this styling document. So we hit save. Now inside Meeting Schedule Assistant we go to Options, Settings. Do you notice now that the custom is shown in the list? And if we hit OK, as you can see, the song titles have disappeared. So by following the same procedure in opening your CSS file, you can scroll down and here are them. There's the material, the methods, the song titles, and you can hide those by uncommenting that statement. So hopefully that's given you some assistance in how you can modify the schedules.